It's not here. Tragic. Wait. The blue orb is already here. Wait, this is maybe crazy. This may be crazy. Okay, so you bunch them up. Get them all near the center. Toss your thing. Gather them all over. Up to the icicle. Grab one of these. Grab one of these. Grab one of these. Grab one of these. Let one bite you. Oh. Slap. You're about to witness the speediest of runs ever. One minute 30 seconds so far. Pretty good. The first level's always the hardest. It is. I just got lucky to get the blue orb right away. No! Gimme! Gimme. Okay. So you go in the blue portal, right? It takes a second. Then you're here, so you swing in here. Buy all these things. You buy this. You buy this. You buy this. You go over here. You get this. And then you skedaddle. You're... Okay. So this is really good so far. This is like really solid. Swing up, dash, get to the portal as fast as you can, hit this, kill everything. I don't know where the other guys are. I'm gonna toss this up there, I guess. That's actually tragic that he's not down here. Is he way over there? There's no way. Hit me, hit me, hit me. He's hit me. There we go. Wow, that went right out of range. I guess I gotta try to get these two items at the same time. Right whenever this finishes. Okay, I'll get these two. These are good. Boom, boom. Okay. This is good, this is good, this is good. Teleporter's over there. Swing. Charge. Grab. Please let me up. Please let me up. There's no way. Wait, click Q, all dead. Get that. I don't see any more items. I'm hoping to get to Mithrix by 6, no, probably 7:30. Huh? That's the 3 items that I got. You see how the bubble's so small right now? It's because I grabbed those 3 items in the blue area. Okay, so I can probably get these 2. Okay. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. Alright, I see teleporters over here. Swing up. Charge. Pull in. Done. Dead. Grab this. Oh my god, don't die, don't die, don't die. Oh, 1 HP. Oh my god. That was a close one. Oh, fuck that. Die. Is there another guy somewhere? Is he hiding? Get out of here. Oh, no. Okay. Here we go. Grab this guy. Grab this guy. Okay. We're actually going crazy right now. Huh? No. Mithrix is just the last stage. I don't. No, it's stage 6. So 7-minute Mithrix is actually kind of crazy if I can get it that fast. These guys are actually the hardest ones to get. They're so evil. Those are just evil. They can one-tap. Oh my god. Wait, where's that? Okay. Alright. Mithrix coming up. Come on. Charge. Get a little further from the roof. Charge. Boom. Get around here. Climb the tree. Kerboom, kerboom. I'm out of grapples. Come on. Please don't do this to me. Yeah. Okay. Alright. I should be able to one-tap from here. Dead. Q. Kill everything. Charge up again. Dead. I died last time. Kerplow. Okay. Set the dodge. I charge it. Okay. Alright. 11-11. New run. 11-11. Holy shit, that's a new best. By 10 seconds.